Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Georgiana with Expressions Craft Studio, and this is going to be a quick video today. I just wanted to show you something I've been working on. I don't know if I'm just old or old-fashioned, but I still use recipe cards. I can't remember the recipes. I don't make most of them often enough to commit them to memory, even though I still remember my childhood phone number. But anyway, so this is, So I've done 9 so far, and I did print these on 4x6 photo paper, which is why they're so glossy, because I love glossy. But even though I sealed them, you can see where my trimmer kind of trimmed off some of the edges. So I'm thinking I'm not going to recommend photo paper. But if you're cutting them out by hand or something, I don't know. Or since these aren't quite 4x6, but they're 3 3/4 by 5 3/4, because I wanted to be able to trim the edges a little bit. You could make them a different size and put them on 8.5 by 11, and then get 4 out of it. So just like a card, you'd have 4 1/4 by 5.5. And if you made it slightly smaller than that, you could just trim away the white. But that's just a thought. Anyway, this is a bunch of different digital images, mostly from Creative Fabrica, maybe not entirely, and some of my favorite recipes. This one on top is one that my friend Gail shared with me. This banana coffee bread is delicious. I actually make muffins with it. I make the jumbo muffins, and then I wrap them up in saran wrap and put them in a Ziploc bag and freeze them, and then they keep very well in there. I've had some for up to 6 months, and they come out really good. Just throw them in the microwave for 15 seconds and they're ready to go. So I also went and added some paper from, got little glue bits on there. This is just a blue sheet of paper from Hobby Lobby, and it's just kind of a rough blue and white, like almost like a wall plaster painted background or something. And then I added more of the same flowers that are on the front. I enlarged them and cut them out with my Cricut. And I was actually going to try a couple of different styles of cards, but I didn't. You know, it's always a fluid plan. So anyway, I printed these on cardstock. I think it was actually photo paper, a matte photo paper actually, and you can see they still printed really nice. And then I printed them from my design space and cut them with my Cricut. And you can make your offset as large or small as you want it. Then a couple of them, because I had pre-trimmed my strips of this paper and I didn't get the recipe side laid down properly, I had a few that I had some strange, well, they were kind of hanging off the paper. So I used these old stickers that I have from 1998, bought them in Anchorage, Alaska, and I just added a strip of lace across there. So that's all you need to make some recipe cards. And if anyone's interested, I will share the basic template for this recipe card. I've made others, and I'm thinking I will list them on Ko-Fi. But yeah, anyway, you could, depending on how you want to do it, there's different ways you could print them out. I'll leave that up to you. You could even just print out the blank card and then handwrite it in if you want to do it that way. My handwriting is kind of a mix of cursive and printing, and it's not always the neatest, so I prefer something that's typed. Anyway, that was the quick video. I hope you like my recipe cards. I think they're really pretty. And let me know what you think. And if you're interested, I will share the basic template in my Facebook group. Or maybe I'll share it in the group and the page. That way I can never decide. It's been a while since I've shared anything. But if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, happy crafting.